Hello everyone, I'm Amod and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will clone a project from GitHub to the IntelliJ IDEA without any Git commands. I'm going to use IntelliJ IDEA controls to clone this repo so that I can work on the project and I can publish my changes to the repo. So every repo in a Git service provider will have an address which you can get it by clicking on this code option. Under the clone header, you see one HTTPS URL. Let's copy this URL and go to your IntelliJ IDEA. So this is the welcome page of IntelliJ IDEA. If you have closed all the project, then you will see this screen. And on this screen, you can create a new project, you can open a project, or you can clone the repository. So if you click on this clone repository, you will see this window. But suppose you are already working on a project and that project is loaded in IntelliJ IDEA as you can see on the screen. Now if you want to clone project from this window, then you can click on the project name here and you'll see one option clone repository. If you click on this, you'll get the same screen whatever we got previously. We have some direct options to clone GitHub or GitLab repo quickly, but I'm going to use this repository URL. We're using Git as a version control system here, and this URL will be the same URL which we copied from the GitHub, which is my project URL. So paste the URL, and you can see this project will be cloned locally in this directory. If you want to change the directory, you can change it as well, but let it be and click on this clone. So you can see it is cloning the repo, and after cloning successfully it is asking if you want to open the project in this window or a new window. So I'm going to select this window, and then it is asking if you trust the project. Yes, I trust it. So now you can see we have project cloned without any issues. And if you expand this src folder, you can see the files as well. Now let's see if we can make any change and push to the cloud repo or not. So I'm going to add one new class here, maybe after cloning. Let's click on add, go to this commit. Now you see there's one change you have added after cloning.java. Let's select this change and you can give a commit message like added a new file after cloning, and let me select commit. Once committed, you can go to project and right click, go to git, and you can select push option. So you can see locally it has master branch, and from this master branch we are going to push to the origin in the master branch, and this is the commit message we have given. Under this commit, this is the change. Now let's select push anyway. So you can see it pushed one commit to origin/master. And if you go to this tab, refresh it, go to this package, you'll see after cloning.java file. So this is the way we can clone a project from GitHub to the IntelliJ IDEA without using any Git commands. So that's all in this video tutorial. If you have any doubt, please comment on this video. If you really like my videos, please like, comment, subscribe and share with others. Thank you everyone.